students, today we are doing some questions from HOTS. Okay, it is in page number 43 of your book. So let us read out the first question. In the first question it is given 4 different NGOs A, B, C and D collected funds for a noble social cause. Their total collection was rupees 2 crores 50 lakhs 68,900. Means A, B, C, D total collection was this much. If the collection of A, B and C NGOs is rupees 48 lakhs 61,133 and rupees 59,000 lakhs 5,150 and rupees 38 lakhs 77,190. Find out the amount collected by NGO D. Okay, so first what we will do, we will add up the money that is collected by the 3 NGOs. What are the 3 NGOs? See, total is given. Means A, B, C and D. These are the 4 NGOs. Okay. Together, how much they have collected? Together, they have collected how much? Means all these 4 of them together, they have collected some 2 crores, 50 lakhs, 68,000 and 900, sorry, 68,900. Okay, and from A, the amount that was collected was rupees 48 lakhs 61,133. Okay, 48 lakhs 61,133. And your B, they from NGO B, how much amount has been collected? That is rupees 59 lakhs 5,150. And from C, NGO C, the amount that is collected is rupees 38 lakhs 77,190. And we don't know how much was collected by NGO D. That we need to find out. That is why I gave a question mark there. So for this, what we will do, first we will add these 3 and we will subtract it from this. Okay, so you write down total collection from NGOs A, B, C and D equal to rupees 2 crores 50 lakhs 68,900. Okay. Now total collection from NGOs A, B and C equal to how much? You have to add up. These 3 amounts you will add. That is rupees 4861,133 plus rupees 3877,190 plus rupees 5905,150. After writing it in this column way, you will add 3, 12 plus 5, 17, carry 1, it is 4, 13, 7, 7, 14, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 9, 26, carry 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, so rupees 1 crore 46 lakhs 43,473. Okay, next is what is the amount that is collected by NGO-D? Okay, this is the last line that we will write. Therefore, amount collected. Therefore, amount collected from NGO-D equal to, we will subtract this total. What is the total here? That is 25068 900 minus 14643 473. Okay, and then we will take out the difference. 10 minus 3 is what? It is 7. 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 7 2, 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 3 5, 16 6 minus 4 2, 10 minus 6 4, 4 minus 4 0 1. So NGO-D, how much they are paying? 1 crore 4 lakhs 25,427. This much rupees. Don't forget to write rupees here. So this gives us the final answer. This is your final answer. Okay. Now let us do question number 2 from HOTS. Okay. The question is telling, over the course of 35 years working in a company, Ms. Bhanu contributed rupees 26,40,000 rupees towards PF and her employer contributed rupees 8 lakh. Her amount grew to rupees 1 crore at the time of retirement. Find the sum of contribution of Ms. Bhanu and her employer. This is the question. And also you have to find out the difference of her amount at the time retirement and the sum of contributions obtained in A part. Here what you have to do, first of all, you have to take out the sum of the contributions of Ms. Bhanu, that is 26,40,000 rupees. You have to add it with 8 lakhs, that is employer amount. That will give you this answer of bit A, and bit B is what you have to take out the difference of the amount at the time of retirement, that is 1 crore she is getting now. Yes, 1 crore she is receiving at the time of retirement. With that you will subtract how much? You will subtract the sum that you obtained in option A. Okay, so let us do this question. Contributions towards PF. Contribution towards PF by Ms. Bhanu, or Ms. Bhanu contribution towards PF, like this also you can write. Okay. Equal to, it is rupees 26 lakh, comma, how much? 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. This much is a contribution towards PF. Then contribution by employer of Ms. Bhanu, that is equal to rupees 8 lakhs. Okay. Now we will write down the answer of option A. Total contribution by the total contribution by the employer and Miss Bhanu equal to, we will add this two, that is 26,40,000 plus 8 lakhs. After adding we got 34,40,000. Okay, this is answer of bit A. Now we will take out answer of bit B. According to bit B, what is the difference? What is the difference of our amount at the time of retirement? Amount received at the time of retirement. Amount received at the time of retirement equal to, how much it is? Rupees 1 crore. Okay, this much. Now difference in the amount received at retirement and amount received in A is 1 crore minus, what was the sum that we received? Minus 34,40,000. This was the sum that we received in A. After subtraction we got the answer as we got the answer as 65,60,000. Okay, so this is the amount, the final amount, that is the difference, which is difference in the amount that is received at retirement and the amount which is received in A. I hope this is clear to everyone. So the questions from objective moves, and that you all can do yourself, easy questions, and work in mind we will discuss tomorrow in the class itself. Okay, thank you children.